Hi guys, this is me doing Helium, and I want to see if my voice sounds funny. So, don't mind the poster. I need to make it bigger. Hello. Hey, I do sound funny. Excuse me. Hello. What to do? I don't know what to do. I'm gonna talk like this from now on. My boyfriend doesn't like me talking like this because, Helium. He doesn't like me doing Helium. And if I do Helium, he gets mad at me. So I'm not going to try to do Helium. But I'm doing it anyway. Because it's that fun. And I am having fun right now. So I really don't care what he says. So I'm just going to keep doing this until it wears off. I actually care what he says, but I like how I sound right now. Aw, it's gonna wear off. No! Aw, wear off. Well, a little bit. Now wait. Yep, it wore off. So, that's what you would sound like with Helium. And it's pretty funny. If you could do that at parties, but don't do too much of it, apparently, because you could die. And that's what my boyfriend says. He said I could die from it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye!